Hi, I'm Vijay Lahoti, MBA Financial Services class of 2021. I was a senior accountant at Akisoft Studio, prior to which I worked with eClear Services Limited, a multinational company which provides business process management, automation, and analytical services to a Fortune 2000 enterprises. My role in the company was of a financial analyst in fixed income derivative trade settlements. As a part of my work, I had a chance to interact with various traders and professionals across the globe. While learning from them, I had a question that what's my contribution to this industry and how I can excel my skills over there. So I joined Woxsen. Financial services sector typifies the progress and opportunities in an economy. Being curious to learn more about the core financial activities and with an aim to mark my way into the investment banking domain, I am here at Woxsen University. The methodology of teaching which is practiced over here is through research and activities which allows me to have intense discussions with my peers and fellow faculty. Live teachings from the industrial experts from all over the world help me strategize and implement the right plan of action for any situation, giving me a real-time exposure. The program has been transformative with absolutely insightful learnings which would help me implement them all at my workplace.